guys, we're gonna grab some stuffies to play with and all that. So I have like a million stuffies. And it's kind of messy over here, so is there more stuff? So here's one. Stuffy. Okay, I think I've, oh yeah, one here. This song's really annoying. I think I got this when I was, I think it was 7. It's really annoying, so. Oh, here's one. I forgot in my backpack. And I got these other ones. Well, they're not stuffies. They're... Huh? What are they? Oh my god. I don't know where they are, but I think that's all of them. Wait, never mind, found them. So you got this one. These are LOL dolls. Is this one my ducky? I actually made this by hand. I made these by hand, these pom-poms. This is just like that. I didn't make those, and I made the whole thing by hand. And this one, it's supposed to be a panda. It really looks ugly, so. A cat, it didn't really finish, so. A fish. Which one do you think is the most cutest? Fish, panda, cat, mama duck, and baby duck. Wait, I forgot. I just have to fix its mouth. And baby duck. Comment down below which one you think is better. And you know you can repeat it if you want. So we're using all of those. I still need to make a tank for my fish. And I made all of these pom-poms by hand. Look at all that pom-poms. That is actually really hard to make. So, really hard. So, there's like going to be a town of these things. The biggest one will be first. Oh no, I dropped it. Here, I'll put it right here because I'm going to set them all right here. Sit one. Wait, I need the next biggest one. Is this one? Okay. And this one. We'll put these all over it. There, doggy. Doggy. Whatever this is. Just in there. Ducky. Mommy ducky. Wait, this one. Mommy ducky. Baby ducky. Kitty. Fish. And panda. Wait. Panda. So all of them that's all. No, wait, no. I can't believe we missed this one. And this one. There. See, that's all my stuffies. Can't believe it. I have so much stuffies. So, this is all my new thing. Construction. Okay. This is all them. A better close-up look. I'll give you a better close-up. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Hi there. Dun-dun. So that's all of them. Okay, we're gonna grab some other stuff, maybe, lots of other stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.